Hello everyone, welcome to our home improvement video series. In today's video, we will clean up the backyard. Hope you enjoy watching this video and give us some suggestions to help us do better. Let's go! In the last video, I said we plan to do repair the house and backyard in the spring after the snow melts. And today is the best time to do it. Today is also the first day we work outdoor after a long time indoor because of winter. As you can see, our house is on a small hill with a very nice lake view, but our backyard is not pretty at all. There are a lot of birds, weeds, and leaves all over the backyard. We need to clean them up first, then dig out the root. Digging out the roots is the hardest work, my husband said. Indeed it is. Back to work today, crews will be cutting the branches and weeds. I will be cleaning up the leaves and putting them into trash bag. Did you know I learned something new today? Garbage such as dry leaves will be thrown away separately in the summer. We will put them in a special paper bag, sold at supermarkets like Home Depot or Menards. Other types of garbage such as household waste and recycled plastic will be thrown away on Wednesday every week. I think there are many other rules about waste collection and recycling here that I don't fully understand. I just know that in the area we live in, there will be a garbage truck that will come to collect the trash every Wednesday. The garbage disposal system in Michigan is very different from my home country Vietnam or Japan, where I lived for several years. How do you deal with garbage where you live? Let me know in the comments. Thank you. Back to today's video topic. We work about 3 days a week due to the rain, so you will see our clothes are different. Although I said the weather is getting better and it's not snowing anymore, it still rains occasionally, so I can't walk outside very often. Oh, I forgot. There's one more thing that I forgot to mention. It's about burning trash here. You cannot burn every day. You can only burn on certain days of the month. Of course, only when you burn wood or something in large quantities. Small amounts should be fine, and there are rules for where you burn it. It had to be 5 feet away from your house and your neighbor's house, just to ensure safety and no fire. In Vietnam, it's different, especially in my hometown, a rural village. There are 3 times a month to throw out the trash. Next is burning trash. You can burn it any day and there are no regulations on where to burn it, such as how many feet away from your neighbor's house. But when you burning trash, be careful to stay away from things that are flammable like motorbike or car or something like that. Each city and place we live in had its own way of doing things, not only in terms of sorting and throwing away trash, but also in terms of culture and lifestyle. We are so happy and lucky that we are young, healthy, and have the opportunity to learn and explore that. There are so many things around us that we have yet to discover. I will definitely explore them and share them with you. Oh, I forgot. Talking about trash make me forget the main content of today's video. We will clean up the backyard and build a desk like our neighbors. That is our plan and it will be probably take a few months to complete. Thank you for always following and supporting us. Please wait and watch our backyard renovation process. See you in the next video. Bye!